What it did, what it did, what it did. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. How y'all been? How y'all doing? What's going on? Anyway, for today's look, I'm going to do my face a little different. I'm going to start with my face before my brows and my eyeshadow. And we're going to be putting some rhinestones on our eyes today. We're going to bling it out, bling it out. I'm going to do a cute little sexy smoky eye. And then we're going to bling that bad boy out. I want to try something new and daring. I've been watching this show on Netflix called Glow Up. It's like a competition for makeup artists. Watch it. It like really inspires me. Like I really am thinking about going to a makeup artist school to learn more techniques and to learn how to use prosthetics and, you know, do all that crazy makeup stuff. I want to enhance my skills. I want to improve to where as though like I feel like I'm at my best. Now I feel like I'm good, but I'm not at my best potential that I know I can be. So I definitely am. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Y'all already know my 3 favorite primers that I love to use, but I'm gonna start with my Rimmel London Stay Matte 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. And then once this dries, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face with my favorite 3 primers. And I'm going to be using calamine lotion as well. Now this is the calamine lotion that I'm applying to my face. Whatever. Let's get this over with. I take it and dip it, pour it into the top. Now once my face dries, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and apply that all over my face. I want a matte coverage. Alright, since I'm going to be doing like a smoky eye look, I want to have a brighter under eye. So I'm going to go in with, you know, I do my concealer first. I'm going to go in with my Toffee and Warm Honey, and then my Infallible Full Wear and Toffee. Now I'm gonna go with my Maybelline 24-hour Fit Me in 356 Warm Coconut. Now I'm gonna go on my e.l.f. concealer. Alright, I'm gonna take my Urban Decay All Nighter spray and spray my brush with it. And this is how I set my face. And I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me in Medium Deep to highlight under my eyes. And then across my cheek, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me in Deep. Okay. And I'm gonna take the deeper one and go across my brows. Because I put foundation on my brows, I really want them to be, I don't want them to be oily before I go to put my brow pomade on top. Now we're gonna go in and add a contour powder to our cheeks, and I'm using my Black Radiance And this is in ebony. All right, now I feel like I am baked enough. Baked enough. All right, next I'm gonna go in with my blush and Berry Plum. Then we're gonna go ahead and set our face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. Yeah, well, look at this motherfucker face, girl. Look at this motherfucker face, girl. Now for my brows, I'm just gonna take a little bit of my lash glue. I kind of want to go for them for that hairy brow look today. So I'm just gonna push my brows up. Now I'm gonna take my eyebrow pomade in the medium brown. Now with this, I'm only gonna be doing light strokes to get that feathered look. I'm gonna see if I can achieve this look. I think I kind of achieved it a little bit. All right, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, then I'm gonna come back. We're gonna clean them up. Now I'm gonna take my P. Louise base in number 5 and clean up my brows. I'll take this and clean up my brows. I'm sorry, we get some Skittles. They're so good. Now then my P. Louise base is on. I'm gonna go back in my Laura Mercier powder and just apply that all over my face. Not my face, all over my lid. So next I'm going in with this palette and I will just be applying this brown. Now I'm gonna go in with this pretty all set palette, and I'm gonna take this red color. Now I'm going in with the third palette. And I'm using this black. I love this little smoky eye. Now I'm gonna take those same colors and smoke out my waterline and under my eye. First I'm gonna apply black eyeliner to my my waterline. I actually like how it turned out. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye and I'll be back. All right, so I'm back and I got both eyes done with the bling bling. Now I'm gonna just take my mascara. Now that my lashes are on, we're gonna go ahead and do my lip. I'm gonna do my famous new lip, what I always do. Because I want my lips to appear fuller, I'm gonna overline my lips. And I'm using the NYX pencil in Cocoa. Next, I'm gonna go in with my my Sephora nude lip, and this, I got this from the hair store. It's like a brown. I'm gonna put this on first. Let me get pretty and I'll be back. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell so you guys can stay tuned whenever I post. Also, follow me on my social media platforms. They go in my description box below. Like I said, I love this look. It looks good. Now I'm about to go to the market, so peace.